Hi everyone! In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to create an invoice template in PDF using this ILovePDF app. Just open the app and go to the tools where you can find this Create PDF button. Tap on it, and then from the templates you can find the invoice template. There are two of them, so select the one you prefer, set how many pages you would like to have, and click on this red button on the right. Wait a few seconds, and here is your invoice template. You can easily edit it. You can add your own text everywhere. That's basically it. I hope it will be useful for you. Have a nice day.